Hey everybody, welcome back. Got a little haul. I it's got thrift and Walmart and Dollar Tree. Just a couple of small things, but anyway, I thought I can't. If I try to find stretchy pants that are comfortable, I'm gonna get them. Well, Walmart had some of their. I don't know if it's new. I think it's winter time. I think I have another pair of these, but I grew out of them and they were too small. So I have to look. My bottom drawer here is full of leggings, long leggings, and then the middle drawer is capri leggings. So these I love, and they look so cute with a black top, black boots. I love these farmhouse. And as long as it's cold, I can wear them. And sometimes these run small, so I got the 15, 17 size. So they should fit, and they were $4. So I got these. Try not to buy too many clothes because if I can thrift them, then yes, I will get them. I ended up getting these nails. And if you saw my Instagram, I put these ones on just to check them out, and they were way long. They were like up to here. And I cut them down twice. And the thumb fell off. I don't know if I'm going to put it back on because I'm thinking that feeling kind of springy. Maybe I'll put these on. So I don't know. We'll see. And I love these. And I haven't been buying double packs. I've just been getting single packs. Because if they come off, they come off. But for like Christmas, Halloween, I get double packs. So if they come off, I can put them back on. And I think I got some pink, plain pink ones. And I can actually use those see-through ones, the whitish ones, to go with these if I want. And I picked up a couple of bras. I'm wearing one of them. It was $4.88 because I've lost so much weight. I'm not in a D cup anymore. I went back down to a C. So I bought one, and I should have bought more, but I didn't know how they were going to fit. So now that I know, next time I go, I can get a couple of more. And these, I got a tank kind of one. Because I think these are comfortable. Ariel loves these. These are the only kind Ariel gets. And I got an extra large because D cup and the same size as the one I got is extra large. So from the sizing chart, that's what I got. I haven't tried this on yet. I figured this would be more comfortable to wear exercising. And it's a cami seamless. And you can take the pads out if you want, whatever. So these were, how much were these? Well, they don't have the price on here. I think they were like $4 too. So I may grab a couple more of these too. So I'll grab a couple of them, and I should be good for bras for a while. So plus my other ones, they fit, but they're too big, you know. So thrift wise, speaking of exercise stuff, are these short ones. They have the pocket on the side, which I love these. And they are, let's see, Yoga Look US Luxe. And these are mediums, but they're stretchy. And I'm wearing larges right now. So I know these look like they'll fit. So, and they have the little logo thing right here. So I'm doing laundry, so I wanted to get this video up so I could wash these so I could wear them. And here is a longer pair, the longer pair with the on the side. I love these, and these are Fabletics Motion 365, and the tag's gone out of it, but I'm assuming they're going to be the same. So we'll see. I'm gonna try them on. Hopefully they fit. They might be a little snug, but they're stretchy. So, and then the last pair are blue. These are cute. And these are capri ones. These are cute. Wear with a white top. And does it say what size these are? They look like between a medium and a large, actually. So, fit my fat butt in there. But I like them because they have the pocket. I can put my phone in there if I want. So there is my little update haul thing. And I did an updated video on diet and exercise. I did two videos. I don't know if I'm going to keep those separate. I may keep them as one video, talk about one, and then I'll talk about the other with another update. And I'll do those once a month. So, well, that's one video I'm planning on doing once a month. The planner videos are twice a month. The budget videos are twice a month. So there's a few videos in there, probably 2 or 3 a week, you know. And then I can fit in all the craft stuff that I'm doing right now and getting ready for Christmas in July. I know it's way ahead, but this stuff is on sale right now, so you want to get it, you know. So I'm doing hauls for that stuff. And yeah, getting things ready. So the next videos you'll see are decorating for winter, spring, because they're going up now. It's winter, so it's white and green. And then once February gets here, I'll add a little Valentine's, whatever. I don't do a lot with that, or March. And then once March gets here, we do spring kind of stuff, March, April. That's when I put my stuff outside, get that all straightened out. And I'll add a little more color, you know, yellows, probably yellows inside for the farmhouse stuff. So, and some of that I have up still, so that's all right. So that's what you look forward to for videos from me. So they change all the time, but it's usually kind of the same. I'll throw a haul in. I try to do I try to do nails once a month. Yeah, so, well, once or twice a month actually now. So it depends. When these all come off, I'll end up doing a video, and by then it might be February, for February. So maybe I'll find some reds. Or maybe I won't put these on. If these fall off before the end of January, I might put these on. But I may end up doing my February nails. So we'll see. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Love my stuff behind me. These are shut, and they still come. It still comes in, and it should be this way. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.